how to archive and unarchive a post on Instagram. So let's not waste any more time and go right to it. So here I have currently posted a blank picture, and the only way I can archive it is to click on the three dot here, and here I'll get an option of archive. Click on archive, and here we go, the post is archived. Now to unarchive it, click on the three options here up on the top. Once you click on that, here you'll see a section of archive. Click on it. Posts archive or story archive, whatever you have archived. So we have archived our post, so let's click on the post. Click on the three dots here. Once you click on that, click on show on profile, so that this post will show again back on your profile. So let's click on show on profile, and it is restored. So this is how, and it's here back again. So this is how we archive and unarchive a post. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.